you ever believe if the Garden of Eden have finally located? In today's video, we're going to visit the only Socotra Island, known as the Garden of Eden, the most alien-looking place on Earth. The Socotra Island was located in the Arabian Sea, south of Yemen. During the early history, the island belonged to various states of the Arabian Peninsula, later becoming Christian. In 1505, the Socotra Island was conquered by the Portuguese. In 1834, the British take control of the Socotra until 1866. In 1967, the island is part of the People's Democratic Republic of Yemen. It was thought that the humans first settled in Socotra around 3,000 years ago. Today, there are around 60,000 people living in Socotra. The Socotra Island has 800 extremely rare species of flora and fauna. It has over 200 unique species of bird, having more than 11 bird endemic in the archipelago. Its plant species are found nowhere else in the planet. The Socotra Island has more than 800 species of plants, and this archipelago has more than 308 endemic plants. One of the trees is called the dragon's blood tree, an umbrella-shaped tree that produces red sap. The sap is used in medicine, dyes, varnish, and seed. Another plant is the Adenium Obesum, also known as the desert rose. Today, the island is getting more vulnerable because of human activity. Is there more other places on Earth that you think belongs to other planets? Just share them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.